Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Unfog with Dr. Atahar Parveen. In this video, let us discuss the maths and science syllabus and exam pattern of NVS PGT exam. We know that the notification is out and many of you must have applied also for this exam. Now the date of the exam has not yet come, but then if you have applied, the exam will be within I think 2 to 3 months, right? So this is the high time for us to prepare for this exam. So let's talk everything about this exam. Before that, I would like to request you all to please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And also I have a Telegram channel. I will give the link in the description. You can join that channel. There we discuss all about the teacher recruitment exams, the primary teacher recruitment exams and the high school teacher recruitment exams. And I keep sharing all the necessary syllabus maybe or the notes or the material which is needed for these exams. I share it in Telegram channel. Okay. Now as I told you, there is a notification and also I think the last date is also done now. Most of you must have applied also. The recruitment of a principal, postgraduate teachers, trained graduate teachers and miscellaneous category of teachers under Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti. Now this Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti or NVS teacher vacancy, whose notification has come this year in 2022, it is a national level recruitment drive for various posts which include this trained graduate teachers means TGT, postgraduate teachers means PGT and so on. And this NVS, it has now released 2 separate recruitment notices for the year 2022 to 2023. And what is the mode of applying? You all must have applied online only. But then the mode of the exam is also online. Means it is a computer based exam. You all will have to write a computer based exam for this recruitment. The official notification which was released by NVS, it was regarding total of 2,200 teaching posts. And then among this 2,200, 1,616 posts were for all other states except for Northeastern region. Only for Northeastern region they have given 584 seats, means 584 teaching posts. So total becomes 2,200. Now what will be the exam pattern for the post of PGTs? First is, as I told you, the exam will be held in online mode only. Then the duration of the examination will be for 3 hours. The total marks of the question paper will be 150. There will be negative marking for each wrong answer. How much negative marking will be there? 1/4 mark will be cut for each wrong answer. Okay. And the question paper, it will be divided into 6 parts. Part 1 is general awareness. In this general awareness, 10 questions will be asked and each question will carry 1 mark. Of course, negative marking will be there for wrong answer. Means if you are giving one correct answer, you will get 1 mark. If you are giving one wrong answer, 1/4 mark will be deducted from that 1 mark. So you have to be very careful in writing this exam. Part 2 of the question paper will be reasoning ability. 20 questions will be asked in this, each carrying 1 mark, of course with negative marking. Then part 3 will be knowledge of ICT. Here 10 questions will be there. Then part 4 will be teaching aptitude. Here also 10 questions will be there with 10 marks. Then part 5 is subject concerned and its pedagogy. Subject concerned means, say for example, if you are a science teacher, then you will have biology and chemistry subject questions. If you are a maths teacher, you will have maths and physics subject questions in your question paper. It will be like this. Number of questions will be 80 and total marks will be 80. And in part 6, language competency test will be taken. Those number of questions will be 20. Among these 20, 10 questions will be for general English, 10 questions will be for general Hindi. Because this is a national level exam, right? So that's why you will have to answer 10 questions from English and 10 questions which will be asked will be from Hindi. You will have 20 marks for this. So total there will be 150 marks for total 150 questions. The test will be of 3 hours as I told you, and then there will be no time limit for each test. Means it is upon you. You can take how much time you want for part 1 or you can take how much time you want for part 5. It is up to you. Total together including all these 6 parts, they are giving you 3 hours. It is up to you how you divide the time. Okay. Now here's a big update for PGT aspirants. Actually in our channel we are taking classes for high school teacher recruitment of Karnataka. The notification has not yet come, but there was a news that the notification will come. That's why we have started taking classes for high school teacher recruitment for physics, chemistry, maths and biology. Basically for science and mathematics. Now we have been taking classes since more than 1 month. We have completed much of the portion also. And the good news for PGT people is that the syllabus is similar. So this is a good news for PGT aspirants, the NVS PGT aspirants, because all your classes are already available. Basically, I take lot of physics classes. I'll be taking other classes also, but then it depends on how the viewers' demand is there. If you all want more classes from particular subject, I will surely take. Okay. But for instance, you can find the link of the playlist of this HSTR classes in the description of this video. Please go and watch. I have finished a lot of portion from physics also. Okay. Not only this, there is another good news, which is that I have taken classes for GPSTR Karnataka, that is Graduate Primary Teacher Recruitment. Lot of portion or the syllabus which was given for GPSTR exam is there in PGT also, the NVS PGT also. So this exam is already done. This exam has been given by the aspirants in Karnataka and I have taken classes for them. Believe me, they all were very happy after attending my classes. I will give the link of these playlists, the physics, chemistry, maths, biology lectures, and also I have solved question papers of GPSTR 2022. I will give the link in the description. Please go and watch it. Also, if you are interested, you can read the comments of the students who have written below those particular videos. The students were very, very happy with my classes because their exam went very smooth and what all I taught only came in their examination. So these classes, the GPSTR classes, will be very, very helpful for NVS PGT people also. Okay, this is another good news. Now let's see the syllabus of NVS PGT examination. First is biology. In biology, diversity of living world is there. Then structural organization in plants and animals, structural and functional organization of cell, then plant physiology, then human biology is there, then sexual reproduction, then genetics is there, then biology in human welfare is there, then principles of biotechnology, ecology. So much is your biology portion for PGT. Now if we talk about the mathematics syllabus, sets is there, relations and functions, principle of mathematical induction, permutations and combinations, complex numbers, linear inequalities, binomial theorem, sequence and series, then elementary number theory, quadratic equations, matrices and determinants. See, this chapter matrices and determinants I have finished for HSTR people. The entire thing I have explained it, and also all the expected questions I have mentioned there. Then two-dimensional geometry is there. Then trigonometric functions. In trigonometric functions, I think half of the chapter I have done because so much only was there in GPSTR syllabus. The rest I can complete if you all want. Please do let me know in the comment section if you all want the rest part of trigonometric functions also. Then inverse trigonometric functions is there. Then differential calculus, applications of derivatives, integral calculus, differential equations. Then vectors are there. Vectors, very interesting chapter. I can finish it in just one class. If you all want, please do let me know. I'll take one class for vectors also. Then three-dimensional geometry, statistics, probability, very, very important chapter. At least 1 or 2 questions minimum will come only from this chapter in all the exams, whatever exams are there. If probability is there in the syllabus, means questions will come only. then linear algebra, analysis. That's it. So this was the portion for mathematics. Now coming to the physics portion. Physical world and measurement. Then kinematics. See, kinematics I have completed for GPSTR people. Means the primary teacher recruitment syllabus I have finished. It is there in the YouTube channel. Then laws of motion also I have done in GPSTR time. Work power energy also I have completed in GPSTR time. Then motion of system of particles and rigid body. This I have not done still. I will do it. Then gravitation. Very good lecture is available in my YouTube channel for primary teachers. People, I have done it for GPSTR. I have done very good lecture is available in my YouTube channel. I will give the playlist of GPSTR also. You can go and check it out there. Okay. Then properties of bulk matter is there. Thermodynamics. Thermodynamics. This entire chapter I have finished. This is for HSTR, means high school teacher recruitment syllabus. I have finished this chapter. Recently only I have uploaded that lecture. So you can go and watch it out. It's a very good lecture. Then oscillations and waves. Then electrostatics is there. Then current electricity. See, current electricity, 2 lectures are already available in YouTube channel, in my YouTube channel. It is in Hindi. If you all are interested, you can go and watch, or else I can make it in English also. It's not a big deal. See, believe me, friends, whatever videos are there in my YouTube channel, I have mentioned lots and lots of expected questions, and 90% of questions have come in GPSTR exam also. So I am looking forward that whatever I am teaching for the high school teachers recruitment also, many questions are going to come in the examination from my lectures. If not the same question, at least the type of question will be similar. So you have to keenly and patiently watch my lectures, then only it will be helpful for you all. Then electromagnetic induction and alternating currents. Then optics. Optics, it is going on. Optics, 3 lectures I have already uploaded for HSTR people. That means high school teacher recruitment aspirants, according to that syllabus. Now only 1 lecture is remaining. That is the theories of light. That I will finish. That also I will upload. If you want, you can go and watch it there. Now just I think before 3-4 days only I have uploaded 1 video of the optical instruments. You can go and check it out. Next is the modern physics. Then electronic devices. Electronics also full chapter I have completed. That is also there. That I think I have made 5 parts of that chapter. Very good lectures are there. You can go and watch it out. So this was your physics syllabus. Now coming to chemistry syllabus, some basic concepts of chemistry, states of matter. See, basic concepts of chemistry also 1 video is available. States of matter I have not done still. Structure of atom, 2 videos are available. Very good lectures are there in my YouTube channel. Then equilibrium, surface chemistry, chemical kinetics, redox reaction and electrochemistry, solutions, chemical bonding and molecular structure. Also 1 very nice lecture is there. Recently I have uploaded 1 molecular orbital theory lecture. That also, if you are interested, you can go and watch it. Then thermodynamics is there. Then classification of elements and periodicity and properties, hydrogen, general principles and processes of isolation of elements and S block elements. Then P block elements, then D and F block elements, coordination compounds and organometallics. Then coming to organic chemistry. In organic chemistry, some basic principles and techniques. Isomerism, methods of purification of organic compounds is there. Then hydrocarbons, alkanes, alkenes, alkadenes, alkynes, cycloalkanes, aromatic hydrocarbons, all this is there in hydrocarbons. Then environmental chemistry, then haloalkanes and haloarenes, then alcohols, phenols and ethers, aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids, amines, polymers. 1 very good lecture of polymer is there in my YouTube channel. You can go and watch it out. I have made it for GPSTR people, means primary teachers aspirants. Then biomolecules, then chemistry in everyday life, drugs and medicines. Very good lectures. 2 lectures are there from this chapter number 26, because lot of questions, they are general questions, but they are asked from this chapter. Okay, so much was your science and maths syllabus. So I really hope that my lectures will help you all, friends. All the best. And see, if you want this syllabus also, you can find it in the Telegram channel. I will upload that syllabus in the Telegram channel. Please join the Telegram channel. And also whatever you want, you just write in the comment section what type of classes you want, what is the topic you want. Just let me know. We will try our best in helping you prepare this NVS PGT exams. Okay. Thank you. All the best. Bye.